you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yeah. I haven't seen you since Kentucky. I know. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while since last time. Oh, yeah. You had a good drive over here or wasn't far? Pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah. My buddy's car right beside us. Oh yeah, he couldn't up. He was at the Kentucky show, wasn't he? Yeah. Okay, I thought he change anything up since last time?
Went from a SFB 1500 to a Smart 3.
Yes.
18 to 21 hertz.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy. On my wrist, but I want that. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up and sight. Run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy. Wrist, but I want that. Crazy when I pull up and sight. Put it in perspective, bitch, I got some extra. I am not the type to turn it into a detective. Got to on my own, even check it. Just text it. I don't got a best. It's not my legs. No so no glasses and check. So don't take, hey, 2 pistols, 30s in the clippies and kill. Smack them in the kill. Cash in the strip, my little bitch. I got a bitch. I know she cute. These bitches cool. Even she ain't new.
I know you got this thing since last time.
Yeah, had to put the pole back in.
Yeah, cause last time he was flexing the whole lot.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you end up getting? Where'd you find this box right here at?
This is just a universal double din box.
Okay.
I just put a piece of MDF on it so I can just carry it around.
Yeah, that's real convenient right there. Yeah, I like that.
Makes it really easy. And I got it on a long cable snake so I can run it, I think about 16 foot away from the car.
So you can get out. You didn't have it last time, did you? Mm-hmm. Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
Man, it's good seeing you, man. Where can I follow you? Are you on TikTok or Instagram or anywhere?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok. It's Loud Kona. Then also on Facebook, it's just Gray to Graw. I post on YouTube occasionally, but it ain't big enough. My TikTok's bigger, so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be sure to tag him in the video down below. It's good seeing you.
Yeah, it's good seeing you.
We'll do it again next time.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Next time we're gonna have an 8K in here.
Where you going to next?
probably one of the shows up in Indiana.
Indiana, okay, that's where y'all came from up that way?
I came from Owensboro. It's about an hour and a half from here.
Okay, you didn't go to the Madisonville show today, did you? I know a lot of folks that they went there and then they came here.
Yeah, I didn't go there today.
Yeah, I wanted to hit both of them, but I didn't think I could make both.
Yeah, there's too much for that.
Yeah, it is. Too much driving, ain't it?
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.